Have you ever encountered a girl who initially seemed interested, only to have her enthusiasm fizzle out after a few minutes, days, or text messages? What did you do wrong? Your conversation lacks sexual electricity. It's as lively as a dead battery. You ask questions like, when can I see you? That, my friends, is a 5-word question you should never ask a woman if you want her to be interested in more than just a friendship. Here are some other variations of this friend zone question. What are you doing tonight? When are you free next? What do you want to eat? Where do you want to go? Are you free on Sunday? Can I see you again? These are all prime examples of what I call follower questions. They can turn a woman off instantly, even if she was initially attracted. Why? It's all about sexual electricity. Imagine a battery. It has a positive and negative side, and the polarity between them creates an electric charge. Follower questions like, can I see you? Or when are you free next? Are like two negative or two positive sides trying to connect. No spark, no electricity. Sexual attraction works similarly, with polarity existing between leading and following. These are the two roles in a sexual relationship. One leads, the other follows. The vast majority, 80 to 90% of women prefer the follower role. So if you're constantly following her lead, you're playing the wrong role. This kills attraction and relegates you to the friend zone. But how exactly does a simple question like, when are you free, make you a follower? Here's the deeper meaning behind your words. By asking such questions, you're essentially putting the ball in her court, asking her to take charge, and make decisions before you can move things forward. You're signaling you'll follow her lead. This approach might be fine in a business meeting or friendship where equality exists. However, a sexual relationship is different. Here, the roles are not equal, they're polar opposites. You play the masculine role, leading. She plays the feminine role, following. You're the positive side of the battery, she's the negative. This polarity creates sexual electricity between you. When you lose this electricity or show her you can't create it, that's a major reason girls lose interest and stop texting back. It's also why sex fizzles out after the honeymoon phase, or why married couples stop being intimate entirely. They've lost their roles and become sexually neutral, and the electricity disappears. So how do you play the leading role? Simple. Ditch the follower questions and embrace leading statements. Leading. Tell me when you're free this week. I want to take you to the best place ever. You're going to love it. Meet me there at 7. Wear something sexy. Following. Do you want to go out with me sometime? Leading. Text me, I have a fun idea. Following. Can I get your number? Leading. Put your number in my phone. Let's keep in touch. Following. Are you free on Saturday? Leading. We should get drinks the next time we're both free. Let me know what your week is looking like. Following. Would you like to see me again? Essentially, stop asking what she wants to do and start telling her. Leading. This was so fun. You know what? This conversation is not over. We're totally hanging out again soon. Following. When are you free to hang out? What do you like to do for fun? Where do you want to go for our date? What are you up to tonight? Make sense? Don't ask, tell her. She doesn't want a timid guy asking her permission for everything. She wants someone who knows what to do and does it. The more comfortable you are in leading, the more comfortable she'll be following. Leading could mean setting the location for your first date, ordering her drink when she's indecisive, or even suggesting her outfit. This extends to the bedroom as well, where you take charge and she enjoys following your lead. There's a famous series by Nancy Friday where women anonymously shared their sexual fantasies, and a recurring theme was being dominated or restrained. Her theory? These women didn't necessarily want to be actually raped, but craved the feeling of giving up control and being dominated, mentally, physically, and emotionally. It represented a safe space to explore those desires without real-life consequences. See how it connects? It's all about dominance and submission, leading and following, masculine and feminine, a dance between opposites. So, if you're ever confused about what women truly want, here's the answer. They want you to take charge in the relationship. Even the strong, independent woman who runs the boardroom might crave a partner who takes the reins in the bedroom. Here's the key takeaway. When setting up dates, ditch the questions and make statements. Instead of, do you want to get a drink? Say, let's grab drinks soon, tell me when you're free. For small decisions, take the lead. Instead of, where should we meet? Try, let's meet at bar name at 7 p.m. It's a cool spot. You'll love it. If she's overwhelmed with drink options, order for her with confidence. In crowded spaces, take her hand and guide her where you're going. Even simple gestures like a hug, where you stand firm and pull her in, subtle dominance through body language, can make a difference. The overall idea is to take charge and show ownership, even if you just met. Treat her like she's yours while making her feel secure in the process. There's a difference between being dominant and domineering, though. Domineering is controlling and dismissive of her feelings. True dominance is about leading the relationship while being attentive to her comfort level and the pace you set together. By mastering the leading role and creating sexual electricity, you'll go from the friend zone to sparking genuine attraction and building a deeper connection.